लिया। यहाँ पर उनको ऑल आउट खेलना चाहिए। बहुत बड़ा अंकों का अंतराल है, 1-5 का स्कोर है, 1 अंक अर्जित किया है। यहाँ हुक का प्रयोग किया न्यूजीलैंड के मुक्केबाज ने। एक 6 का स्कोर स्ट्रेट पंच से पल प्रतिपल समय बीतता हुआ और अंकों की दौड़ में आगे बढ़ते हुए दिनेश। भारतीय मुक्केबाज अपने प्रतिद्वंदी पपोनी जो कि न्यूजीलैंड के मुक्केबाज हैं लाल पोशाक में। रमन, पल प्रतिपल समय बीत रहा है और दिनेश एक साथ 6 अंकों की बढ़त बनाए हुए हैं।
6 points. I don't think it's going to be a possibility for Papuni to catch up. He's trying his level best. At least he's managed to get himself onto the scoreboard. Bharadwaj, 6 points. It's just a foregone conclusion.
Definitely, in the very beginning, I have told you that the board will go in the favor of Indian boxer because Indian boxer is boxing with the right strategy of boxing and he is using the best ring craft, whatever is possible from him. He is not committing any mistake in the ring.
बिल्कुल यहीं अगर अंक तालिका की ओर देखें तो पहले चक्र में 0-1, दूसरे चक्र में 0-5 और तीसरे चक्र में 1-7 का स्कोर चल रहा है। एक और चोट लगी है, रेफरी ने डॉक्टर से परामर्श लेना चाहा है।
I think it's the cut that he got on the nose from the inside of the glove earlier. That's what the referee wanted the doctor to look at again. But he deems Papuni fit to fight. Just a minute to go. Papuni will have to really pull off a spectacular act, but Dinesh Kumar picking up another point there.
बहुत सुंदर प्रहार, अपरकट का प्रयोग, लॉन्ग रीच का प्रहार है। अपरकट दूर से ही अपरकट का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, बहुत सुंदर। मुक्केबाज को अपने नजदीक नहीं आने दे रहे हैं दिनेश। एक अच्छी तकनीक और पूरी ताकत के साथ प्रहार कर रहे हैं।
As Bharadwaj is saying, he's using the reach advantage to great effect. Is Dinesh Kumar not really getting into the scrappy fight of fighting up close and running the risk of having a blow land on your face. It's not given anything away as Dinesh Kumar in this bout so far.
The best thing you might have observed that Dinesh is boxing very relaxed, with full confidence, no tension in his mind, maintaining his easy guard and scoring points time to time whenever he gets an opportunity. बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला था, वन साइडेड जो है रेफरी ने डिक्लेयर किया। ये बहुत ही समझदारी का काम है क्योंकि न्यूजीलैंड बॉक्सर लगातार पनिशमेंट ही ले रहा था। Because no match to Indian boxers.
Let's stop in the bout before the hooter went. An RSCI in favor of Dinesh Kumar. Yes, he knows he's done well in this bout, acknowledging the cheer from the crowd. First aid for the Kiwi, Reece Papuni. And it's going to be a comfortable win, 8-1 RSCI in favor of Dinesh Kumar.
Number 22 in the 81 kilogram weight category by referee stopping contest due to injury in third round. Winner in blue corner, Dinesh Kumar from India.
So, well, I tell you what, it's been a good day for the Indian pugilists so far. Barring the disappointment of Dilbagh Singh, well, the others have done pretty well indeed. Of course, you had Suranjoy Singh winning his bout. You had Vijender Singh winning his bout. Now Dinesh Kumar. Take a look at what happened in this bout. More in control. Definitely the more dominant of the two boxers.
बिल्कुल एक बहुत अच्छा मुकाबला देखने को मिला। इससे पहले विजेंद्र ने आरएससी आउट क्लास का प्रदर्शन दिखाया और उसके बाद अब निर्णय हुआ आरएससी
Games 2010.
लाइट वेल्टरवेट का ये मुकाबला।
This is going to be
Thank you very much,
Obed
sir.
Makonga, who's going to be up against Leonard Machichi in the light heavyweight 81 kg category. And of course, you have a memento to be presented now.
Thank you, sir. We now proceed towards the last bout of the evening. The officials for the last bout, bout number 23, referee Jay Cowley from India, judge number 1, Nishant Dharmadasa from Sri Lanka, judge number 2, Alvin Sargent from Bahamas, judge number 3, Wang Jiabua from China, judge number 4, G. Rajkumar from Mauritius, and judge number 5, Enrico Lucchini from Italy. Boxers for bout number 23, 81 kilogram weight category. In the red corner, Obaid Wakonga from England, and in the blue corner, Leonard Makishi from Tanzania.
We're now into bout number 23, which is the light heavyweight 81 kilogram category. And in the red trunks is Obaid Magwanga of England. And in the blue trunks is Leonard Machichi of Tanzania. So that's Obaid Magwanga of England in the red jersey. This is the light heavyweight 81 kilogram category. We've seen plenty of action before with Dinesh Kumar winning the earlier light heavyweight category bout in knockout. Plenty of action in this 5th Commonwealth Boxing Championship so far, Sanjay. It has been an exciting day, and we are now into the final bout here in the 81 kilogram category. The referee is Jay Kohli of India as he inspects the fighter before the start of the bout. As weight categories have gone up, you've seen injuries mount and quite a few fights being won by a knockout. In the earlier light heavyweight category, Dinesh Kumar won by a knockout.
In the red corner, Obaid Wakonga from England, and in the blue corner, Leonard Makishi from Tanzania. First round.
Round 1 now commences between Obaid and Leonard Machichi. A combination of aggression and patience by both boxers here from England and Tanzania in round 1 right now. And Obaid in the red trunks from England having a wider reach because of his height. We've seen in the boxing championship so far that boxers with a wider reach have won their bouts because of that advantage. More importantly, technique is crucial to take advantage of that capability.